Hello students, myself Sonal teacher and this year I am going to teach you computer subject. First of all, I would like to extend my warmest wishes to you all at the beginning of new academic year 2020-21. I welcome you all in standard 5th computer class. So students, last year we have learned many interesting features of computers. We learn about Paint, Notepad, WordPad and calculator. This year we are going to learn about operating system, modern tools of ICT, MS Word. So students, let's start with our first topic, means of communication on page number 5. Students, what is mean by communication? Communication means sharing information, ideas or feelings. But to communicate with any person or a device, you need an interface. Let's start with our first point, communication interface. Now, what is interface, students? Interface is a point where any two people or devices, etc., meet or communicate with each other. It is commonly referred as a medium of communication. इसका मतलब है स्टूडेंट्स, कम्युनिकेशन मतलब क्या? शेयर इंफॉर्मेशन और जो भी कम्युनिकेशन हम करते हैं वो शेयर करना. तो अगर हम किसी पर्सन के साथ बात कर रहे हैं और या फिर किसी डिवाइस के साथ अगर हम कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं तो हमें इंटरफेस की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. लाइक नाउ ऑल्सो स्टूडेंट्स, इफ़ वी आर having online classes, mobile phone is an interface between you as a students and I as a teacher. So students, basically there are two types of communication mediums. One is physical and second is electronic medium. Physical medium. It is the medium in which people involved in the communication can not only hear each other but can also see each other. For example, broadcast meetings or group discussion. वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग ऑल्सो एन एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ फिजिकल मीडियम, जहाँ पे नेक्स्ट टू पर्सन को हम देख भी सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स और सुन भी सकते हैं. यू डू अ वीडियो कॉल ऑल्सो ऑन व्हाट्सअप विद हेल्प ऑफ व्हाट्सअप. दिस इज ऑल्सो फिजिकल मीडियम जहाँ पे आप नेक्स्ट टू पर्सन को देखते हैं, सुनते हैं, उनके एक्सप्रेशन देख पाते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडियम. इट इज़ द मीडियम इन विच पीपल कम्युनिकेट वाया रिटन और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चैनल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्टूडेंट्स, ईमेल्स, मैगजीन एक्सेट्रा. यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन इज़ नॉट इन्वॉल्व डायरेक्टली. वो टेक्स्ट के इसमें मैसेजेस भेज सकते हैं, मैगजीन हो, न्यूज़पेपर हो, ईमेल्स भी इसका एग्जाम्पल्स है. कम्युनिकेशन मीडियम में स्टूडेंट्स दो टाइप्स है, एक है फिजिकल मीडियम और दूसरा है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडियम. फिजिकल मीडियम के बारे में हमने पढ़ा कि इसमें पीपल एक्चुअली इन्वॉल्व होते हैं और वो एक तो सुन भी सकते हैं और अदर नेक्स्ट टू पर्सन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी लर्न अबाउट कम्युनिकेशन, which are the types of communication medium, physical and electronic. In physical, a person is actually involved, they can see also and they can hear also. But in electronic, a person is not actually involved, they can send a written or electronic channels to a next person. So students, let's learn our second point, modern tools of communication. CD, DVD, pen drive. Here are some benefits of using CD, DVD, pen drive. You all know students, we use CD and DVD for transferring the data, and pen drive also we use to transfer data, and we other option is we can store a large quantity of data into a CD, DVD or pen drive. So first benefit is transfer data between devices. Means students, we with the help of CD and DVD we can transfer data between one computer to other computer, otherwise from mobile to a computer. Second, give a document to someone. If you want to share any kind of documents, personal document or related to your office document, work document, you can share with the help of CD, DVD or pen drive. Third, take a printout of data stored on the devices. If you have a store any document into your computer, with the help of CD, DVD, pen drive, you can take a printout from the computer. Store data for future use. If you want to use any data for longer use, you can store it on pen drive and whenever you need it, you can use that. To access the information you need to attach to the computer, this CD DVD is read on computer via a CD drive, and pen drive is attached to the computer via USB. You can see, students, they have shown us a CD DVD drive and USB port in the images. Next modern tools of ICT is calculators. Calculators are used to solve maths problems involving big numbers. You can perform simple arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Later on, advanced calculators were designed to perform more complex mathematical calculations. Students, we also use calculators in our day to day life for doing a simple arithmetical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And students, last year also in third standard, we learn how to use calculator on computers. So, students, calculator help us to solve a big number maths problem easily. So let's learn our third modern tools of ICT, that is electronic cash register. Electronic cash register is an electronic device that helps in registering and calculating transactions. Cash registers comes with the attached drawer from storing cash and a printer for printing receipts. So students, electronic cash registers help us to for registering and calculating transaction. And with the help of electronic cash register, we can store cash in a drawer, and also we can give a print of a receipt with the attached printer. Next ICT tools is mobile phones. Mobile phones are portable telephones that, along with the function of making calls to talk to people, you can store contacts and send or receive text, read or write emails, browse the internet, and much students, more. Mobile phones we use to call any person, to talk to people. We can send and receive messages. We can read and write emails. We can browse the internet, and you also use a mobile for clicking photos, for making videos, for watching YouTubes, for playing games. So we also use mobile phones in our day-to-day life. So students, today we learn about communication and some modern tools of ICT. Like we learn about CD, DVD, pen drive, we learn about calculators, we learn about electronic cash registers and mobile phones. Next, we will learn remaining tools and various sources of information. Thank you.